As we celebrate India's Independence Day, let's find out how well we really know our country. Is patriotism just about waving the tricolour, or does it also mean knowing our nation's culture, history, and achievements?
Let's find out by asking our fellow schoolmates a few simple questions and see how many of them can answer correctly.
What is the national bird of India?
Indian peacock,
The national river,
River Ganga,
Our national flower?
lotus,
the national animal,
the Royal Bengal tiger,
and the national tree.
The banyan tree. Our national aquatic animal?
Ganges river dolphin,
Our national heritage animal?
Indian elephant,
Our national fruit,
mango,
our national calendar.
Saka calendar,
Hey, can you answer a few questions about our country? What is the official name of India?
Republic of India,
What does the Ashoka Chakra in our national flag signify?
It represents dharma, justice, progress, and continuous movement.
What do the three colors of our national flag signify?
Saffron stands for courage and sacrifice, white stands for peace and truth, green stands for prosperity, faith, and richness of our land.
Well done.
Hey Hashimi, can you answer a question about India? How many spokes does the Ashoka Chakra have and what do they represent?
There are 24 spokes in the Ashoka Chakra, and these 24 spokes represent the virtues or the principles of righteous living, such as courage, patience, peace, kindness, selflessness, justice, and the truth.
Well done. Hey guys, can you guys answer a few questions about India? When did India gain independence?
15th August 1947,
Who was the first president of independent India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
And who designed the Indian national flag?
The Indian national flag was designed by Pingali Venkaiah.
What is the highest civilian award in India?
The Bharat Ratna.
Can you name India's national song?
Yes, it is Vande Mataram. It is written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay.
Hi. Do you know how many lions our national emblem, the Ashoka's thumb, has?
Yes, 4 lines facing 4 different directions. These lines represent power, pride, courage, and confidence. The national emblem was officially adopted on 26 January 1950.
Hey, can you tell us the difference between flag hoisting and flag unfurling?
Flag hoisting means raising the folded flag from the bottom of the pole, usually done on Independence Day. Flag unfurling means unveiling the flag or tree tied at the top of the pole, usually done on Republic Day.
Hi. Do you know who wrote India's national anthem?
Rabindranath Tagore wrote Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana.
How many states and union territories does India have?
India has 28 states and 8 union territories.
What is India's national sport?
India has no officially declared national sport.
When is Constitution Day celebrated in India?
It is celebrated on 26 November every year. This day in 1949 marks when the Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly.
What is India's national motto?
India's national motto is Satyameva Jayate, which means truth alone triumphs. It is taken from Mundaka Upanishad.
What is India's national language?
India does not have a national language. The official languages of India are first Hindi, which is written in Devanagari script.
English is also used for official purposes under Official Language Act. In addition, the Constitution of India recognizes 22 scheduled languages.
Knowing our country is one of the best ways to honor the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. Each answer reminds us of the rich heritage and values that unite us as Indians.
This Independence Day, let's not just celebrate our freedom. Let's celebrate our unity, our knowledge, and our responsibility towards the nation. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.